Today we have 2013 Lexus LX570 and we will be installing Apple CarPlay in original screen. Let's check this out. So for this job we'll need some tools, 10mm socket, some pry tools and a screwdriver. We will be removing these two side panels. We will be removing this plastic trim, also this plastic panel. We will have to remove this panel to access the bolts here. Then we will be removing these two air vents, and then at the end we will remove the screen and the head unit itself. Okay, so now we removed the screen, we removed the head unit, we have access to the back of the head unit and the main power connectors, and now we will check what we have in our kit, and later we will come back to install the wiring harness. So here we have the kit, which is dedicated for the Lexus LX570 2012-2015. Also it fits for Toyota Land Cruiser, same year. And let's check what we have inside. We have some installation manuals, wiring harness, different cables, and we have the CarPlay module itself. Now we will be working with the cables and we will feed them underneath the head unit, and then later we will connect this box and then we will check it how it works. So we have wiring diagram here. It shows which cable goes where. We're gonna use it to install these cables into the car. Main thing is that we are planning to install the box itself in this area behind the screen, and we have to put all the required cable ends over there. So that's what we're gonna do it right now. So we have fitted the main power harness into the car, and all the connectors are here. I have the box itself. We need to check it how to set it up according to this car. On the box you have a dip switch chart. Also together with the kit there comes different application dip switch chart, and according it, for this car we have to have one dip switch 1 and dip switch 7 set to on. So we are checking here. We have here 1 is on and 7 is also on. So this unit is set up for this specific car. So now we will proceed with the rest of the harness, and hopefully we will connect everything correctly and try it out. So we set up the system, run the wires, connected everything, launched the system, launched the original system. Everything seems to be working fine. Original menu works, CarPlay in the screen works as well. Original rear view camera works. Now next step is to assemble everything back. We'll meet in seconds. Welcome back. So we have reassembled everything and system is working fine. iPhone 15 is connected and we can walk through a little bit through the functions. Just quick demo. This is original screen. Original touch screen is used for controls. You have to be tolerant for these touch screens because they are resistive. This means that you have to apply some amount of force to use it. It was originally designed to press it, not to swipe it. So if you want to use some apps to do some swiping, you have to be a little bit tolerant for this. So Google Maps, standard CarPlay functions. You can go to this view. You can go to turn on Waze navigation, for example. You can use your Spotify, see your playlists. There are different apps for navigation, apps for music listening, apps for radio listening, some communication apps. You can control them via voice commands. All original functions are also retained. So to switch system, you press voice button on the steering wheel and you are back in original system. To switch it back, you press voice, it switches back, and that's it. So also for Android users, there is Android Auto. So same way as iPhone, connects wirelessly or wired if you want to use wire via USB. All the same features like navigation applications, communication applications, entertainment, music, communication, and so on. Additionally, with this device, you can do screen mirroring, meaning that you can mirror what you have on the screen with your iPhone or Android device on the original Toyota or Lexus screen in this case, and you can get audio via the original sound speakers. So this is quite neat. When you are in the journey or you're waiting somewhere, you can do just screen sharing and enjoy video and audio from your original speakers. Additionally, you can connect front view camera if you want, aftermarket camera, for example. You can wire it somewhere, and when you press this camera button, you can just view what's on the camera. Or you can set up, when you push in drive, you can set an amount of time, for example 10-15 seconds, that front view camera is active on your original screen before it switches back to CarPlay. So it's also a very nice feature. Also, as I mentioned before, all original systems are retained with this type of integration. So for example, original camera, this car is equipped with original rear view camera. If you engage into reverse, system automatically switches to reverse. You can still use the settings, and when you switch to drive, system switches back again. So yes, we have installed Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in Lexus LX570 2013. We have retained the original screen and all original functions. You have connectivity with iPhone, with Android mobile devices, and yeah, we had showed you how it works. And feel free to ask any questions below the video, write a comment, press like, share, subscribe. This really helps our channel. And until the next one, see ya.